Okay, so how was the communication class and what you learned? May I know that from you? Is it helpful?
Okay, so this is our first day in our communication field, and I learned from this communications part that how to talk front of people and how to maintain myself whenever I talk someone else.
Yes.
And there is a point you teach us today, and basically you describe the first one, I think. So yes, this is very helpful to understand how to speak in front of people, and this is a very lovely class. Thank you so much.
First of all, I am very sorry I couldn't join 2 classes, and I missed you, ma'am. I missed all my friends, and now I am going to share my feedbacks about these classes. And it class was very beautiful, nice, and you taught very great, and I learned lots of things about these classes, and this classes is was very beautiful, and communication is very important for our life. And when we talk any pupil, so this time we have to focus on my communication skills. And so today I learned lots of things about communication, and how to speak properly and how to communicate with any people. And I think it was very nice video, and thank you for listening.
Okay, amazing. Everybody please clap for her. She was very nervous and also she did very nice. I'm so happy to hear that. Shushmita, amazing. Very good. যদি কেউ আমাদের ক্লাসে জয়েন করতে চাইছে, ধরো তোমাদের তরফ থেকে কি মেসেজ হতে পারে তাদের উদ্দেশ্যে, কি এই ক্লাসে জয়েন করা উচিত আর উচিত নয়? What do you think?
I want to who want to actually enroll their name in Keya ma'am's class, I think they should be do a very first, because it's really very helpful for in our daily life, and it's also a very interesting to make yourself a better way, better life, that you can speak in front of people in English, because nowadays this language is very important to communicate with others. So I think everyone who really wants to join Keya ma'am's class, can you please join your name?
So nice, so sweet of you, Shangita. Thank you so much. This is really means to me. I don't know, এত বেশি তোমরা আমাকে ভালোবাসো. I really feel so happy to hear this kind of feedbacks and all. So I'm so much appreciating all this thing, and I'm loving this thing, and তোমাদের reaction দেখো মনে হচ্ছে yes, everybody should join the class. Well, thank you so much for joining the class. You guys are the best.